Hello again, guys. Welcome back to another short online tutorial. Today we are based in InDesign. I'm Jack, one of the tutors at Blue Sky Graphics, and as always, it's my absolute pleasure of welcoming you here today. The reason why we are here is to discuss how we would use the text wrap options within InDesign. After the update of the 2022 version, they've really improved the text wrap options, and I'd like to go over them for you today. As you can see, we have an example of a text wrap here. As you can see, the text is wrapping around our main figure. Okay, so if I go to my previous tab here, I have the image already placed. Now, what I'll need to do is obviously place some text. So what I'm going to do is use the type tool. Shortcut is the letter T. I'm going to create a sort of text box, let's say about sort of here, let's say. Okay. Now, what I'll need to do, so what I'd like to do is bring out my character panel for me to start manipulating the text and spacing. So that is Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows. And that brings out your character panel here. So I'm probably sort of change the font, let's say, let's go for something like so. And I'm going to change the size of it. Perfect. Okay. So I'd like to fill this with some text. So I'm going to right click and I can now use the very quick option of placing placeholder text within them. Fantastic. Now, as you can see within my previous example, there are columns placed within my text box here. So what I'm going to do using the shortcut Command B on Mac or Control B on Windows, I would like to get my text frame options up here. And we can now increase the number of columns to the number of 2. And I'm going to press OK. So as you can see, I've now got my typography all placed, all nice, ready for me to wrap around our main figure here. So what I'm going to do using my selection tool is select the image and text. Okay. I'm going to go to Window, and the option we have and we want to use is Text Wrap. Perfect. And what we need to do is use these options up here, and the wise one you should be using would be Wrap Around Object Shape. Now, as you can see, it's not really worked good. The text has disappeared and everything like so. It's a bit of a problem. So what I would suggest you to do now is to sort of deselect by clicking off. Okay, now if you was to reselect the image here, your contour options will appear. And the one you should be using is Select Subject. So now if I press Select Subject, you'll notice the text is now reading and registering this as a figure and is wrapping around it like so. If you would like to increase the spacing between the figure and the text, you come to this little option here through your text wrap options, and you can use that to increase the spacing. The system is using the same software as object selection in Photoshop. And as you can see now, quite an easy tool for us to be able to wrap text around a figure within an image. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed that. If you're interested in finding out more, please visit our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also as well, don't hesitate to visit our Instagram page at Blue Sky Graphics UK to check out some amazing work by our students. Take care, guys. Have a lovely time, and I'll see you next time.